Good afternoon, my name is Victor Gonzalez, I'm 22 years old, I'm currently studying the 6th semester of System Engineering. I'm excited to submit my proposal for the full software developer position. I believe I could be a valuable addition to your team as I'm a passionate programmer with a strong technical and foundational deep commitment to clean and well-documented code. I've been coding since I was 14 years old, and over the years, through both personal projects and academic training, I've been developing the skills to manage the full lifecycle of the web development. I'm proficient with both front-end and back-end technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks such as React.js and Vue.js. I work with Firebase for authentication, development, and API management, and use Airtable to structure and manage data. In addition to web development, I have built Python applications using arguments, error handling, modules, packages, and I'm familiar with libraries such as NumPy, Matplotlib, Tkinter, data processing, and graphical interfaces. I also use GitHub for version controlling and collaborative development. I'm fluent in both Spanish and English, and even Italian. I consider myself a quick learner and effective troubleshooter. I'm particularly passionate about AI and eager to integrate it into my work to automate tasks and optimize process. I believe AI is a great tool, so we can use it to boost and practically do anything we want.
Here are a few recent projects I'd love to share. The first one is a multi-owner music player that visualizes sound graphic while playing music. We can choose the language where we have English, Spanish, and Italian. And we also have this option called wave mode where we can see the spectrogram. So after a while we can see the spectrogram of the sound. And as long as the music reproduces, here we have how to move. The second one is an e-commerce platform for crochet accessories. It is complete with product listing. We have here a few examples, and it also shows the prices. We can choose a product and we have all the information about it. We can buy it, we have a card, and it also have the delivery and payment data. And of course, a CMS for the shop owner. We also have a math graphic within Python packaged as an executable app, allowing user to input variables and visualize mathematical functions. We just click it, and we have this. We wait a second. And we have different mathematical functions where we can choose, for example, the second one, and we change or we input the values of the variables. In this case, let's choose 5 and 10. We also have to choose a starting time, for example 0 and 6 for a minute, and we have the graphic here. We can close this, and we have an enhanced version of the graphic with user-friendly interface that also calculates the area under the curve right here. Let's, for example, do this. Yep, we have the exact same things where we can choose the function, for example this one, and we can change the variables or the coefficients. For example 5, 10, 9, 5, and we can choose a starting time and an ending one, same 0 and 60 for a minute, let's say points 100, and we can graph this where we have this graph, and we can also see the curve under the area, the area under the curve, and we have what is the area associated or the integral.
If you have any questions or would like to learn more about my work, I'd be happy to provide additional details. I'll look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your team. Thank you for your time and for the consideration.